Alright guys, so this is happening right now. Spontaneous beach trip. Antoine just kidnapped me. Everybody's going. Sorry if my last video ended up cutting out way too early because I ended up dropping my camera. I ended up fidgeting with it like all night and it stopped working. And then after finally banging it a couple times. Oh! Okay. After banging it a couple times, bro peck. It ended up working again, so I'm kind of happy about that. So now I can be able to document this trip. Woo! Yay! Alright. Right now we're getting the cooler ready.
Oh, they'll just been outside of the... Man, this is way better.
Gray gang! Gray! 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 Hey, what's good? Gray gang! Oh, you guys suck. I don't know how much traffic there is right now, but I hope there's not going to be a lot. Before we go, Modelo. Before you go to the beach, drink Modelo.
Antoine, just wanting you to know that, alright?
I backed up.
Somebody's going to daycare.
Ready?
What's up, Bernie? For everybody that doesn't know, this is Bernie. We believe he was named after who could have been president. But we're not sure. The origins of his name is still yet unknown.
That is true. That's true. Truth speaks. Can you tell him to speak? Oh, okay. Just wait.
Aww, patiently waiting. Oh!
Hey, we didn't say get it.
Alright, so there's a little bit of delays. Antoine's been ready since 3:30, and I got home at 3:30, and I was been ready since then. He actually kind of ambushed me and was ready to kidnap me, but we are now waiting on other people. So we're just chilling with the AC on. Antoine finally figured out how to be able to use the damn AC.
Apparently you press this button.
Hey John, why you always sliding through with them apple cream pies, bro?
Strawberry.
The strawberry cream pies. Hey, don't matter, dude. Why the fuck you always got cream pies on you?
That's that same beer, right? You're not drinking anymore?
What's that?
That's the second one.
That's the second one. Learn how to control yourself, damn it.
Modelo. When you lose control, drink Modelo. Awesome beach trip. We're still waiting. Squad! Squad finally showed up. This motherfucker finally showed up. Let's go. We be out. Yeah, shotgun.
You riding me?
Modelo. When you're Mexican, turn to Modelo.
Are we here?
Yeah. Dump them in, bro.
Unless you want to use my right.
Dump half of them.
Looking good. Stop and go. Traffic due to accidents.
Traffic's still
Accidente.
Oh. This time we'll just buy some sand.
Were you gonna put it in the backyard with all that dog shit?
I know, it would be like a giant litter box for Bernie.
No, it's not.
Yo, we're on a mission to get a beer.
I got it.
Hey! Yeah! Don't drink and drive, folks.
Strawberry cream pies from McDonald's if you want, because he always gets like 10 of them.
More accidents. Oh no, it looks like somebody got yanked over. Somebody got blurred.
Kind of like stalemate for both sides here.
Last and final accident. Hopefully. There's a lot of shit going on. 17 is hot right now.
What the fuck? Firefighter? Oh, they have to clean? What are they? What?
Hey guys, so when we were going on the way to Santa Cruz and we're losing daylight like really quickly, We ended up hearing this strange noise coming from Antoine's car, and we ended up finding out that it's one of these guards that was just flapping and hitting against his wheel. So I ended up having to do some surgery and taking that shit off really quick. Hopefully we can still be able to make it to the beach and get some sunlight. Alright, we gotta smash it. Let's go.
I wouldn't.
Wait.
We made it, y'all, and in time. Wait, hold up, Antoine, I gotta roll up the window. So we're going down this trail right now, and Antoine was fucking with a snake when he was hella drunk going down here. I think he said that the snake was freshly ate like a mouse or something like that.
Yeah.
And he was so messed up. Crikey! Antoine, what kind of wildlife are gonna run around here?
You know, Nick, there's a lot of creatures out there in the bush.
Squad just walking down this path to success to DJ Khaled, another one. All right, Antoine, lead the way.
Switching to sandals now.
He's going sand mode. Woo! Look at this beautiful sight. Woo-hoo! Let's see how cold this water is. Woo! That's cold. Fuck that. That's hella cold. How you doing it, dog? I don't know how you can stand that. Woo! Woo! There you go. Come here. Come here. I took you. No? Okay. Well, what's up then, homie? What's up? Peace. Birdie's not here. As long as one of us doesn't eat a potato chip, we can start a fire with a potato chip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
This is a piece of wood I brought.
give me some space. I can't do this with you breathing on my neck.
Hey, never let them doubt you. I started this fire with potato chips.
Ain't no problems all around this
Can't stop
way.
poking at it, Chris.
Everything where we
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
That's like Moco Moco place that Chris keeps talking about.
Huh? I can't even
Alright, it's really dark and Kimberly's helping me with the lighting light right now. But we just finished over here and we're about to go get something to eat over at Pono. And we're over here at the Porta Johns right now because everybody's taking a shit or a piss or something like that. So, hey! What's up, guys? We just made it to Pono's. I'm just chilling here. I just ordered my food. Now we're just waiting. I don't know if you guys can hear me over the mic, but there is a live band, which is dope. And everybody else is ordering right now. I ended up being the first one. Alright, first person to get the food was John. Okay.
Nigga, I don't want my food no
What is
more.
that?
What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get?
What is it?
I can't even have a comeback for that. I'm so fucking bored.
This is the Blair Witch Project. What are we doing here?
I roasted you today. It was a pretty good day.
Shots were fired today.
Take that shit like a champ.
I got fucked over in the game of photography.
Oh yeah, but there was no fucking competition. I didn't know about photography.
Whoa.
Oh god. Oh god. Hey man. Hey, roast is over. I'm not on the menu.
Okay, you got your hair.
I'm not on the menu, dude. What the fuck?
Yeah, I haven't roasted Chris in a while. I had a week now.
He's enjoying every damn moment of this shit right now.
I'm not even being brutal right now. I'm still lovey-dovey.
Everybody want some carrots?
Oh, Simon! Under the red light. And Masumi. Oh, got the Moco Moco burrito. Food before we go home.
Your shit looks hella good.
Chicken wings.
Oh, thank you.
Subis. Yeah, those coconut
How much
shrimp.
did you guys fucking order?
It's not mine. This is mine.
Anything else?
Anything else? Pretty a long day.
You know what? It was a good day. It was a good day.
Still a good
I was
day.
happy with the results of today. Everything we've accomplished. The fire, the wood, everything went great. I'm just ready to go back home.
Alright, on the way home, Adam. We'll see you. We'll see you.
Oh, we're meeting at the house. We're meeting at the house. Stop it. We have a house meeting.
Stop, we live together. What are you, no. We're all going back home. It's been a long day. It's been a long day.
We're ready to go.
Heard. Okay, heard.
Fuck it, nasty. Oh.
Fuck it, I'm cold.
What's that noise?
We're so tired. Antoine, party on.
Party on. Okay.
Not that kind of party, Antoine. No.